Darin Anderson will have 3 attempts, or 3 minutes, whichever goes quicker. Johnny Jones, you're on deck. Once again, Darin Anderson out here right now, ladies and gentlemen, and we've not yet seen anything coming yet. So again, looks like something good is building right there where he's heading right now. Let's see what he's got for us right here. Oh, no, he doesn't take it. I've just been informed we've got a minute and a half left. 1 minute, 30 seconds left out there for Darin Anderson. Once again, Jerry Jones, you're on deck, stand by. Jerry Jones, you're on deck, stand by. All right, here we go. Let's see what he's got for us. Oh, look at that big, huge, right-footed backflip. What did you guys think, ladies and gentlemen? Make some noise! 1 minute left, and he's got 2 tricks left to go. Holy crap, did you see that? It was like 30 feet in the air. My goodness, probably the highest backflip that we've seen all weekend long, but 1-footed right there. Darin Anderson, a terrific 1 trick so far, and got less than a minute left to go, but he's still got time for 2 more. He's just looking for that right wave. And trying to get to that one before it closes up. No, out of it. I know everybody here holding their breath. Again, 15 seconds left on the clock for DA. Jeff Tronker getting ready for that moto surf tomorrow. IJSBA moto surf in the finals from the IFW free ride coming up tomorrow, folks. Here we go. Got time for one more. And, wah, wah, wah. Off that red flag comes up. That's going to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how about a nice round of applause for Darin Anderson.